Alright, in this video I have the Eachine EV100 Goggles, and this is the one that comes with the DVR. You can also buy this DVR separate. And I'm going to be flying it with the Tiny Hawk Freestyle 2. It's been a while since I've flown FPV, so don't kill me in the comments about how bad my flying is. Okay, so what this DVR does is it records everything that you're going to see in the eye goggles. So this is good for practice. If you want to go back and look at how you were flying, it'll show all the telemetry that was on your screen. So this is not for cinematic video. So this is mainly to play back the video of what you were seeing when you were flying. So this also helps if you go down, you can actually flip this to output and view in your goggles the footage of it. So hopefully that'll make it easier for you to find your drone when you can watch the video back. All right, let's get it in the air and show you some sample video. So I do have the stock antennas on here, so you will notice that whenever I go behind the house that I will start to lose signal. That's to be expected with the milliwatts that's on the Freestyle 2 and the antennas that I have on the Eachine goggles. And here's what the video looks like whenever I'm out in the open in front of myself and I'm not too far away. These are meant for long range, but if you're just doing some practicing for a little over $100, these are good goggles for just flying around the yard or in a small park. Alright, that's it for this video. Just wanted to show you the video quality that you can get from the Eachine EV100 DVR, and I believe it is recording in 720p right now. I didn't change the settings. There is an HD setting also. I'm not sure if it's going to be much better than that. You're pretty much going to see what you're seeing in the screen, so you can only get so good a video out of this thing. So if you're in the market for a cheap goggle and DVR setup, this one might work for you. It does have a small field of view, but that's to be expected in these cheap drones. It's not the most immersive experience, but it will get you up and flying, and it is very cheap, as I said before. Alright, that's it for this video. Please like, subscribe. I'll put a link down to the goggles and the DVR below.